Do we know the answer to that? We don't. Good morning, everyone. This is the News Burst for a Thursday morning. 23 degrees as you wake up in Milwaukee. 22 degrees your wake-up temperature in Waukesha this morning. Rest of the Storm Team forecast from Scott Steele. Decreasing clouds and cold today. Lows near 18 degrees for tonight. Partly to mostly cloudy through the day with just a high near 31. In the news today, federal agents and a hazmat crew all called in to bust up a drug house and chem lab in West Dallas. About 116th and Greenfield, 2 people were arrested. Port Washington school bus driver now charged with sexual assault, accused of touching kids on his bus. A parent told us that she actually complained about this, said it happened to her son about a year ago, that she told the bus company and they didn't do anything about it. January 1st deadline approaching, still no deal on extending the payroll tax cut in Washington. Both Democrats and Republicans say they want to extend it, they just disagree on how to get there. Green Bay Packer Eric Walden, linebacker, no felony charge for him. He was charged with misdemeanor disorderly conduct for a fight with his girlfriend on Thanksgiving weekend. Regardless of how it turns out, whether he's convicted or not, he is not expected to do any additional jail time. Sports, you have Brewers pitcher Francisco Rodriguez, K-Rod, who has accepted the team's offer for arbitration. So, now what? Well, it means that K-Rod could stay at more than $13 million next year, or he'll end up staying and then the Brewers will trade him for some other peoples that we need. Either way, I don't know. Is that good for the Brewers? That's good for the Brewers, I think.
Yeah, it is
right?
a chunk of money, though.
So it's something, right. But if we don't like it, then we can try to unload it. So I don't know. It gives us options. The 11th ranked, I want to do Badgers first. Badgers beat up on little brother UW Green Bay last night. 70-42 was the final in, I was going to say that contest, but it wasn't really. 11th ranked and undefeated Marquette University will get UWGB next this weekend. And Red Arrow Park, the slice of ice, is opening up today.
That is such a fun place, isn't it?
Right, the ice rink downtown, if you've never been, even if you don't ice skate, just go there and sit at the Starbucks and watch people fall down. I mean, skate.
What a great time.
Right. But they have the usual festivities, the ice skating mascots and other things. The official ceremony to open the rink at 4 o'clock today, and then it's open through the season. Are there any questions?
No.
That is all.